haven't been any radical changes in sailing for nearly 50 years. Thankfully, a French startup decided to put an end to that. They created an unusual, conceptual capsule boat. It was developed by specialists in many different disciplines. Sailors, shipbuilders, and even helicopter specialists took part in the process. The result is a kite-powered transport that only needs air to move. Tests are already underway, and by the end of 2022, the developers plan to set a world record by making the craft go up to 90 miles per hour. For comparison, the previous record for sailing speed is 64 miles per hour and was set in 2012. This Slovakian vehicle proves that the future is closer than we think. The folding design of this car allows it to transform from a land to an air vehicle and vice versa. The simple push of a button extends the tail booms and makes its wings fold out. The process takes about 3 minutes and is fully automated. The first test flights have already taken place and were quite successful. Once the vehicle is ready, it will support 3- and 4-seat versions that can be used for commercial taxi services. The airspeed will exceed 186 miles per hour and the range will be 620 miles. What would Formula One cars look like if they could take to the air? The answer to this question was provided by a company from France. This innovative vehicle is still under development, but at this stage it already incorporates many interesting solutions. Its aerodynamic body reminds us of a racing car. The body consists of carbon fiber, linen and wood composites, and features low-noise propellers. Thanks to the smart choice of materials, the car has a relatively low weight of just 1,322 pounds. The vehicle is powered by 6 electric motors with a total output of 200 kilowatts. Together, they provide speeds of up to 155 miles per hour. It'll be powered by eco-friendly hydrogen-based fuel cells. In the middle of 2021, a well-known Italian studio presented a vehicle with exceptional characteristics. It is a unique capsule, which, according to the developers, can move through water, land, and air. The 65-inch diameter ultralight sphere is made of carbon fiber and can accommodate up to 2 passengers. It uses hydrofoils made of electric motors and propellers for propulsion. They allow the vehicle to literally float above water. The design has a low center of gravity and works like a gyroscope, thereby providing the cabin with stability. The first tests of this flying car were conducted just a few weeks ago in Dubai. A scaled-down prototype of this vehicle, which has been under development for several years by specialists from Great Britain, took to the air. Once fully developed, the vehicle will be able to move smoothly through the air, reaching speeds of up to 134 miles per hour and climbing to an altitude of 3,300 feet. The product is marketed as an ideal personal vehicle for busy urban environments, and there are plans to produce an air cab model. Even though this concept vehicle is not capable of taking to the air, it still shows us how personal vehicles will look in the future. This e-car from the famous brand has a spacious interior with 4 rotating seats and no visible controls. The interior incorporates 6 displays, turning the vehicle into a digital living space. A set of cameras, radars, sonars and sensors allow the car to be fully autonomous. Only in case of emergency, the steering wheel can be pulled out from the front panel. Needless to say, the vehicle is fully electric, and the power source is a special generator that produces energy from hydrogen. It provides a range of about 680 miles. Here is a new vehicle from 2022. This is a conceptual super yacht capable of traveling not only by water but also by air. The Italian studio Lazzarini designed it for tourists, so there are 10 guest suites, a master suite with an incredible 360-degree view, and a helipad on board. The electric system is powered by solar panels that cover almost all of the yacht's upper surfaces. The hull is made of carbon fiber, and the boat is lifted into the air by 2 balloon-like compartments filled with compressed helium. The concept is still under development, but hopefully it will come to life very soon. A streamlined shape reminiscent of a spaceship and a spacious interior without controls are just some of the features of the new concept e-car unveiled by the American company Buick a couple of months ago. According to the developers, it optimally combines autonomous driving technology with a comfortable interior, ideal for travel. There is a huge 50-inch touchscreen inside, as well as a projector capable of displaying images on the side windows. Both are used to control all internal systems. At the same time, the e-car incorporates artificial intelligence, which studies the users, interacts with them, and strives to provide maximum comfort. Perhaps in 50 years, air cabs like these will be flying around major cities. This product was developed by a Chinese manufacturer. The aircraft is powered by lithium-ion batteries and is propelled by 22 large electric duct fans. It's supposed to reach 186 miles per hour and have a range of 155 miles. Italian specialists have once again offered us a fresh perspective on the future of water vehicles. You are looking at an unusual super high-speed yacht, which can be best described as a water train. It resembles a train both on the inside and on the outside. Several yachts can be assembled in a chain and move synchronously one after another. There's not much information about the technical characteristics, but it is known that the power plant is based on hydrofoils with a jet engine. The maximum speed is up to 80 miles per hour, which doesn't affect the comfort. The yacht remains stable even when waves are strong. Another vertical takeoff and landing flying vehicle was shown in America. It stands out from similar prototypes for its unusual propulsion system. The vehicle is equipped with a bladeless fan, which turns the air around the craft into powerful thrust. The system works on special gas generators, which the developers call a fluidic propulsion system. The power is enough to accelerate the vehicle up to 200 miles per hour. The range is also up to 200 miles, even when constantly alternating acceleration and braking. Here is a concept car with a powerful self-learning artificial intelligence system. There is not much information about it, but it is clear that Toyota conceived it as a step towards a future in which transport will use advanced technology to create an emotional connection with the driver and its passengers. This means that in the future, cars will be much more to people than just means of transport. Last but not least, we have an unmanned minibus, which is a joint project between two world-renowned companies. It was developed for use in theme parks, golf courses, as well as any other locations where you have to drive from one destination to another. The vehicle will not only quickly deliver passengers, but it can also entertain them with high-resolution screens. Outside screens are needed for displaying ads. Of course, the minibus moves fully autonomously, and inside there's room for up to 5 passengers.